That's an old door, guys, old door. Now, of course, you know me. I've got to go on about a door because I love small doors. Here's another one, another little small door. I seem to be obsessed with doors, ancient doors.
I think the smallest one was in Rye.
Oh God, the one in the village.
Yeah.
Yeah, just by the church. Look at the size of the door. Here's Al, right? Who's 6 foot. What? How are you? 5'8", 6 foot?
No, 6 foot.
6 foot. And look at the size of the door.
Door's right.
Unbelievable. Obviously, we know that people are short about them, but
Yeah.
that's amazing. Yeah, like we found in the churchyard the other day, gravestones right up to the base of the yew tree. Very interesting. This is amazing. The graves go all the way down there. It's a big churchyard for such a small village, actually. It's something we've never seen before, probably as there are around, but we've just not been very observant, is metal gravestones. Can you see that? Metal gravestones. There's a couple in this graveyard. I'm sure there's in other graveyards. If you have seen them, please let me know, but I've never seen them before. So, an old shop.
Windows. That looks like that.
Yeah. There was a Norman church here in 1090, so it's been here like 800-900 years. It's a very old church. It's a very old area around here, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's a lovely font. Now looking.
It's made in 1180.
1180. I'm going to quickly show you this. I'll get down. 13th century casket. And they now make tea on it. Okay, this is nice. I just found something quite interesting. If you can see this here. Agnes, eldest daughter to Richard Infield of Gravetye Gent, to Henry Falconer Esquire, aged 39 years and 6 months, buried September the 23rd, 1635.
This is the door. 1626.
This door here?
1626.
Oh yeah, there we are. 1626. Let me shut the door. That's an old door, guys, old door. So I looked around the church, which was fantastic. Hope you enjoyed it on this gloriously hot day. If you've liked what you've seen, please like, subscribe, leave a comment and down below, and we'll see you next time. Be seeing you.